Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim your Moomoo welcome rewards in 2025, including free stocks, cash coupons, and more. So first head over to the Moomoo app or moomoo.com and create an account if you haven't already. Make sure to use a referral link or a promo code during the sign up to unlock the bonus offers. Once your account is ready, here's what you gotta do. The first step is click on the promotions tab inside the app. You will find it on the homepage or in the Me section at the bottom. And then there you will see the current welcome bonuses listed. To unlock rewards like free stocks, you will usually need to complete some tasks. For example, it might be by opening a brokerage account, making an initial deposit, and maintaining the balance for a few days. Once you complete the steps, the rewards will appear in your rewards center, and you will get stuff like free stocks, cash coupons, and access to premium tools or insights. And sometimes they have limited time events that give you even more bonuses, so always check the promo section. And that's it. Super easy way to start investing and get free stuffs at the same time. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.